Next feature in SolidWorks drawing is also a break view. This is very important. Let me show you. For that, I'm going to add another sheet to show you how we can use break view option. First of all, we have to model or import the view like this. Then if I select this view and then scroll down, let's say I'm going to make it 5:1 scale or 2:1. So you can see this sheet size is smaller than the view. How can I manage to make it inside this sheet with this scale? For that, simply go to view layout and from here select break view, then select the view, and here is the cut direction, vertical and horizontal. Let's say from this point up to this point. Similarly, from this point up to this point. This is the gap distance from this line up to this line. At the moment you can see 10 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Let me add it 5 millimeter. And these are the break line styles: linear, or this spline type, or this zigzag cut. Then press OK button.